And oh, yeah, I've been traveling on this road too long, just trying to find my way back home. The old me's dead and gone, dead and gone, yeah. And oh, hey. At that jump there. I ain't doing right, huh? And oh, yeah, I've been traveling on this road too long, just trying to find my way back home. The old me's dead and gone, dead and gone, yeah. And oh, hey. I'm gonna focus a little. It sound right. It's a little rusty, ain't it? Oh, I've been feeling that. I've been feeling like that for a minute. I had that song in my head for a long time. I need to go ahead and play it. Spin it a couple around. Yeah. I ain't doing nothing. Mm-hmm. Well, that Mr. Timberlake. He went crazy on that, didn't he? I don't know. Do holding the ear, do like closing your ear, do it really help you sing? I don't know. I just kind of wanted to hear myself. I don't know if it worked. I need to be figuring out how to troubleshoot my internet. Excuse me, this gonna be a little shorty though. Another shorty till I get that situation right. I might have to call him. It'd be nice if I took me a singing class though. I don't even know if I can write a song that I would have to sing out. That's crazy. To be able to write a song that I can write, I can rap on. It'll come back to me, I guess. The downloads, the synchronicities, what I'm feeling, how I'm feeling. Is it enough for 2 or 3 minutes? Need to get out the house, find me something better to do. seeking, searching, and lurking for my next move and my best move. I haven't opened up the Bible in a couple of days. That's where a lot of my inspiration comes from. It's a rainy day today. I know it's all good being all single and all that, but I think a brother do need a backbone, a muse, positive one. Well, maybe that's just me being codependent. There's a lot of people who had the talent before they got into their relationships or whatever. If I'm looking at it right, I do need to pull some inspiration from somewhere. I had a little, used to have a booty life, but didn't make any art of it during the times I was going through it. So kind of let them things go, I think. Well, that's probably the reason why I was just singing Dead and Gone. Good part about it, I ain't never really let those things push me into that intriguing street life. Hmm. Looking at the rain out the window. Skyfall. See that drip? I ain't got no money. I just like the pictures, the logo. I don't wear none of that stuff though. Yep. Like I said, it's gonna be a shorty. I'll offer this video up to the body of Christ. God is my king. I plead the blood of Christ. Chilling. That's about all I can do. Until I get my breakthrough. You all take your time. You know. Pray against all the negative against you. Rebuke it. Keep God number one. Even if it even if it messes every other aspect of your life up. Just roll with it. Yeah, I'm gonna get on up out of here though. I ain't going nowhere, but I'm gonna get up off this video. Y'all have a blessed day.